Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the new hype on Rihanna's setting powder and concealer. This has been the talk of the town lately, so I just wanted to get it, try it out, and see what my thoughts are. My eyes are already done, of course, because this is mainly going to be about the foundation and concealer. So if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And if you aren't new, welcome back. So I am really excited to do this video for you guys. Again, like I said, this has been the talk of the town. So I've already tried it, but I wanted to do a video on my thoughts and reviews for you guys. So let's jump right into the video. So I'm going to be using her foundation as well, just so you know, see how everything goes together. I am in the color 385 in her foundation. This is the first bottle of foundation of hers that I've bought ever. I had 2 samples around the time when it first came out, but I had a scare with it, so I didn't go back and get any more. Like, the girl, she didn't match me right. She told me I should use an oil primer, and I know how oily my skin is, and I know I shouldn't listen, but I will link the video down below for the makeup haul that I went on when I actually purchased these. So I'm really excited for you guys to see that. The color of her concealer that I'm in is in the color 370, and I bought the setting powder in the color banana. I bought it in banana only because I have a ton of translucent powders and I've never tried out like a yellow or like a banana powder. So I know this is supposed to be like a brightening powder, so I probably won't bake with it. But that's why I bought the banana, because I wanted to try that. So the setting powder retails for $32, and it says it is a super fine, weightless, loose setting powder, and it's supposed to extend makeup wear for that filtered, photo ready finish on lock. So this is supposed to be really lightweight, and it is. I have already used these, like I said, but I just wanted to show you guys. And then the concealer is a creamy, long wear, crease proof liquid concealer that delivers light as air, medium to full coverage, and it has 50 shades. So I think that's really impressive in itself, only because I know a lot of makeup companies don't have a lot of shades, or you have to kind of mix 1 or 2 just to get what you want. But the shade range for her foundation and her concealer is amazing, so I really applaud Rihanna for that. But let's get right into this video. If you have dry skin, I would not recommend this. This is a very dry and matte finish foundation. So when they say matte, it's matte. So I am going in with the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydro moisturizer. Now I love this moisturizer for me only because I do have oily skin, and this is an oil-free moisturizer, so it really helps me. And also it takes the moisture from the air and kind of puts it back into your skin. So I think that's pretty neat, but it also helps me as well as maintaining my oils and not have me looking like a grease ball by the end of the day. So I would definitely recommend this. This is the 1 ounce jar, and I think it was less than $20. So I got it from Ulta, and it doesn't really have a smell, but it feels amazing on your skin. It's like water for your skin, like, if that makes sense. So I'm going to be priming with the MAC Prep Prime Natural Radiance primer. I did not get her primer. I don't know why I didn't. I would think I was just so excited to get her concealer and foundation and setting powder that I didn't even think about it. So I may go back and try that, but for now I'm going to use my MAC Prep and Prime. And my eyes are already done only because I wanted this video to be mainly on these products. And it's time to get my hair done, y'all. Like, I took my braids out from my wig, and y'all see the puff balls bigger than my face almost. Alright, so let's get right into this. So again, I am in the color $3.85 in her foundation. And get the lid off. And I'm going to blend this out with a Real Techniques wet beauty sponge. Well, not wet, it's damp. And I'm like so happy that the girl at the store, she matched me perfectly. Like, not even gonna lie, I was nervous because every time I go to any of these stores, they can never match me right. Like, I'm either too light or too dark, or I have to like mix it and it just doesn't go right. So I'm really excited that she really took her time to match me and make sure that everything was okay. So let's get into her foundation. Now, as far as crease proof, like, I don't really know if there is ever a concealer that's crease proof because it creased for me. But everyone creases for me, so I'm not even gonna like knock that for that aspect of it because all concealers crease for me. I don't know why, maybe it's just me or my skin, but alright. And if you do buy her setting powder, so I purposely left this in here to show you guys this. Do you know how like when you have setting powder and you open it up and the powder is kind of just like everywhere, as you can see right here? So in the box, when you open it, if you pay attention to this little space right here, there is a cap with her logo. I don't know if you can see that, but it's for, you just place it on top so it keeps your powder nice and neat, which is really cool, I think. But a lot of people didn't know that was there, and like I know some people that even threw it away. So don't throw it away, check the box. Alright. Now I think I would go like a shade lighter on the concealer only because I do like a brighter under eye, but it's whatever. It still looks good to me. Now I do work in sections with the concealer only because it dries really, really fast. Really fast. So you have to work quick. Again, like, it is so beautiful. Like, I absolutely love it, but I wouldn't wear it all the time only because, like I said, it's like really drying and matte. I do think I like a matte foundation better because of how oily my skin is. And I can say that this helped with my oil. I found like by the end of the day, I wasn't as oily as I would be any other time. So this definitely did help. And it literally, I mean, I don't really have, I have freckles, so it's covering those, which I don't really mind. But this is definitely a full coverage concealer. So comment below if you guys have tried it, if you like it, love it, hate it, either or. So let me know. Again, like I would go a shade lighter only because I do like a brighter, I would like a brighter under eye and this concealer is like really close to my color. So I'm gonna go in and set it, and I'm gonna use a Real Techniques brush. This is out of the Brush Crush limited edition set. I got it for Christmas, and these colors are absolutely beautiful. I'm not sure if Ulta still has it. Again, it was a Christmas gift, so I don't really know how much it is, but I'll try to find the link and put it below for you guys. So I haven't baked with this yet, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to bake on one side and then just completely just kind of just set it in on the other and see how that turns out. But it's so matte, I'm just almost afraid to bake with it just to see how it turns out. And it smells really good. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but this smells really good. So, all right, we're gonna bake on this side. And let's see how it turns out. I'm just afraid it's gonna be too dry and it's just gonna latch on to the dry spots that I do have. God, that's intense, y'all, ain't it? So again, I'm not gonna bake on this side. I'm just gonna set it. I'm just gonna dust away a little bit of that. All right, and let that bake. And just set the rest of it. Sit entirely too long, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush that away. And I don't really bake that long. I usually finish my face and then come back and look at it, but like I said, I'm just afraid that it's gonna be too matte. But I really like it. I really do like it. Alright, so I'm gonna finish my face and I'll come right back. Okay guys, here is the finished look. So again, recap. I love the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm so upset that I waited until 2019 to try it. So I definitely recommend the foundation. Again, it wasn't mainly about the foundation, it was about the setting powder and the concealer. I absolutely love both of these products, and then with all three together, it's such a pretty look. Like, I absolutely love the way that it comes out. Again, if you have dry skin, I would not recommend these products for you, because it would just pull those dry patches, or just if you have all over dry skin, it will just enhance that. But if you have oily skin like me, I definitely recommend that you get these products. When I first wore it, I wore it to work, and I found that when I got home, the oil that I usually have wasn't as much. There was still oil that came through, which is usual, but it did help manage that. And again, I absolutely love these products. I would definitely recommend that. And I don't think I told you all of the prices earlier in the video. The Fenty Beauty setting powder goes for $34, I believe, and I believe the concealer and the foundation is $32. I will link the website down below where you can buy these. I got these from Sephora, but you can also get them online as well. So I give it a thumbs up. I would definitely recommend this to anyone. I don't have anything bad to say about these. A lot of people find that they're too matte and they're too dry, but I absolutely love it. It gives you a smooth finish, and it does give that photo look finish that it says. The only thing that I would say that is not much so true, at least for me, I still do crease no matter how much I said or anything, but the creasing isn't as bad as any other concealer I would use, so I would definitely recommend that. And it is an instant retouch, so if you kind of just go in and like pat it, it does go back to the way that it was. So again, I absolutely love these products. I would definitely recommend these to anyone. So comment down below if you like them, if you would recommend them, how they work for you, if you dislike them, anything in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.